Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to record microphone audio in Audacity in 2026. Audacity makes it easy to capture voice recordings directly from your microphone, whether you're creating tutorials, podcasts, voiceovers, or simple audio notes. So let's get started. First, connect your microphone to your computer and make sure the operating system recognizes it. If you're using a USB microphone, check that it appears as an available input device. Open Audacity and look for the audio input or recording device controls. Select the microphone you want to use rather than relying on the wrong default device. Next, check the recording level. Speak into the microphone at your normal volume and watch the input meter. You want the signal to be strong enough to produce clear audio, but not so high that it reaches the maximum level and clips. If the meter is constantly hitting the top, lower the input level. For a cleaner recording, use headphones when possible. This helps you monitor the audio without causing feedback through speakers. Now press the record button and start speaking. Audacity
Managing
will create a
projects,
new track
debugging,
and
and
display
working
your
with
voice
different
as a
development.
waveform while you record. Try to maintain a consistent distance from the microphone. Avoid moving the microphone, tapping your desk, or touching cables because these sounds can become very noticeable in the recording. When you finish, press stop and listen to the result. Check whether the voice is clear, the volume is consistent, and there's no unexpected distortion. If the recording is too quiet, adjust the input level before recording again instead of relying only on amplification afterward. Always make a short test recording before starting a long session. It only takes a few seconds and can reveal microphone or permission problems early. Once your recording sounds good, save the project and export the audio in your preferred format. And that's how to record microphone audio in Audacity. Select the correct input, set a safe recording level, record clearly, review the result, and save your project. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next